welcome. Today guys, it's going to be another recipe that's leading up to Mother's Day, and today's recipe is going to be for a berry compote. Now this I'm making, and you can serve it with pancakes, which will be in an upcoming recipe, or you can make it and use it with waffles. Sometimes I even like using it with grilled chicken or lamb. It's really good with that also. So to make this, you're going to need a saucepan, and to that saucepan I'm going to go in with my berries, and I'm using strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. You can use whatever combination of berries you like. Now to give it a Caribbean or a Trini flavor, I'm going in with 1 cinnamon leaf. Actually, I'm just going to bruise the cinnamon leaf so that the flavor from the cinnamon leaves comes out faster. 1 cinnamon stick. Some sugar, which is optional, and you can put as much or as little as you like, and some orange juice. Next, you want to put your stove on medium-low heat, and you're going to allow this to cook until it gets very soft and tender. When it's almost done, then we'll taste it and we can adjust the sugar then, and we'll finish up with some essence. Can you guys see how much liquid is in this? That's what happens. So I'm going to allow this to cook down until it thickens up. Okay, so this is finished. You guys watch the consistency of it. It's not too thick, and it's not too thin. I'm just going to take this off the heat, and I'm going to finish this with a drop of mixed essence, or you can use vanilla if you like. And you're just going to mix that in and set it aside. You can cool this down, and you can keep it in your refrigerator to serve the next day with your pancakes, or you can serve it hot. So I'm going to dish this out, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So guys, here you have it, my recipe for berry compote. You will find the pancake recipe will go up pretty soon right after this. So if you guys enjoyed today's recipe, please remember to like and share the video. If you're new to my channel, I hope you subscribe. Hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I post a new recipe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Enjoy!